Cofem Installers is an application that allows us to scan the QR codes of the detection elements. We will see how to create an installation by scanning the elements and sharing the information through different applications. By clicking this icon, we can add a new installation. We can designate a name and a description. Add all the information that we believe is necessary to identify it, such as address, type of installation, or contact. Now, in the upper part, we can save the data. When entering the created installation, we can add the first element with the blue button at the bottom. Here, we select the control panel and the loop. If we check the automatic loop assignment option, the next element will be added automatically as number 2. With the button indicated on the right, we directly open the camera to scan the QR code. In the detectors, we find it in the back. The serial number and the type of element are completed automatically, so we can avoid making manual mistakes. Finally, we can add the label to identify the location. This can also be entered by voice. The application will show us the central information, loops, and added elements. We can also edit the number of elements or manually enter the serial number and the type of element by selecting it from the list. With the pencil icon located in the upper right part, we can save the changes. We can add a manual call point in the same way. We can find its QR code by lifting the cover. With the export button, we can send the file with all the elements through the application of our choice. This file can be imported with the iLink to do, among other things, network configuration. From Cofem, we thank you for visiting this video.